Visit parthakachana.com for technology resources and stock analysis. 50 beginner-level DevOps and cloud computing interview questions. 1. What is DevOps? Answer. DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. It aims to shorten the system's development life cycle while delivering high-quality software continuously. 2. How does DevOps benefit an organization? Answer. DevOps improves collaboration between teams, speeds up product delivery, enhances software quality, and ensures faster issue resolution through automation and continuous integration/continuous deployment, CI/CD. 3. What is cloud computing? Answer. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics over the internet or the cloud to offer faster innovation and flexible resources. 4. Name 3 common cloud service models. Answer. The 3 common cloud service models are infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. 5. What is continuous integration, CI? Answer. Continuous integration is a DevOps practice where developers frequently merge their code into a shared repository, followed by automated builds and testing to detect problems early. 6. What is continuous deployment, CD? Answer. Continuous deployment is the practice of automatically deploying code changes to production after they pass automated tests, without requiring human intervention. 7. Explain the difference between continuous delivery and continuous deployment. Answer. Continuous delivery ensures code is always in a deployable state, but the release process may require manual approval. Continuous deployment automatically deploys changes to production once they pass testing. 8. What are the key components of a CI/CD pipeline? Answer. A CI/CD pipeline typically consists of source code management, build automation, automated testing, and deployment stages. 9. What is infrastructure as code, IAC? Answer. Infrastructure as code is a DevOps practice where infrastructure is provisioned and managed using code and automation, rather than manual configuration. 10. Name 2 popular IAC tools. Answer. 2 popular IAC tools are Terraform and AWS CloudFormation. 11. What is Docker? Answer. Docker is a platform that enables developers to package applications and their dependencies into containers, ensuring consistent environments across development, testing, and production. 12. What is a container? Answer. A container is a lightweight, standalone executable package of software that includes everything needed to run an application, including the code, runtime, libraries, and system settings. 13. How is a container different from a virtual machine, VM? Answer. A container shares the host operating system's kernel and is more lightweight than a VM, which runs its own operating system and requires more resources. 14. What is Kubernetes? Answer. Kubernetes is an open-source platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling, and operation of containerized applications. 15. What is a pod in Kubernetes? Answer. A pod is the smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes. It encapsulates one or more containers that share storage, networking, and a specification on how to run them. 16. How does version control support DevOps? Answer. Version control helps DevOps teams collaborate on code, track changes, and revert to earlier versions if needed. Popular version control tools like Git allow seamless collaboration and integration into CI/CD pipelines. 17. What is AWS? Answer. AWS, Amazon Web Services, is a comprehensive cloud platform offering a wide range of cloud services, including computing power, storage, databases, machine learning, and more. 18. Name a few common AWS services. Answer. Common AWS services include Amazon EC2, Compute, Amazon S3, Storage, Amazon RDS, Relational Database, and AWS Lambda, Serverless Computing. 19. What is an EC2 instance in AWS? Answer. An EC2 instance is a virtual server provided by AWS that can be used to run applications, host websites, or perform any other computing tasks. 20. What is a load balancer? Answer. A load balancer distributes incoming network traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server is overwhelmed, improving availability and reliability. 21. What is autoscaling? Answer. Autoscaling is the automatic adjustment of computing resources based on traffic demand, ensuring that applications have the capacity to handle increased loads while optimizing costs during low demand. 22. Explain the concept of serverless computing. Answer. Serverless computing allows developers to build and run applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. The cloud provider handles the server management, scaling, and maintenance. 23. What is AWS Lambda? Answer. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service that allows developers to run code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers. 24. What is a microservices architecture? Answer. A microservices architecture is an approach where an application is built as a collection of small, loosely coupled services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently. 25. What is Jenkins? Answer. Jenkins is an open-source automation server widely used for CI/CD pipelines. It automates tasks such as building, testing, and deploying code. 26. What is Git? Answer. Git is a distributed version control system used to track changes in source code, enabling multiple developers to collaborate on projects efficiently. 27. What are cloud deployment models? Answer. Cloud deployment models define how cloud services are made available. The main models are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. 28. What is a public cloud? Answer. A public cloud is a cloud infrastructure that is made available to the general public over the internet by a third-party cloud provider. 29. What is a private cloud? Answer. A private cloud is a cloud infrastructure that is used exclusively by a single organization, providing more control and security. 30. What is a hybrid cloud? Answer. A hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared between them for greater flexibility. 31. What is S3 in AWS? Answer. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, is an object storage service that allows users to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time. 32. What is the purpose of the .gitignore file? Answer. The .gitignore file specifies which files and directories Git should ignore, preventing them from being tracked in version control. 33. What is cloud migration? Answer. Cloud migration is the process of moving data, applications, or other business elements from on-premises servers to the cloud. 34. What is the role of a DevOps engineer? Answer. A DevOps engineer is responsible for bridging the gap between development and operations teams, automating processes, managing CI/CD pipelines, and ensuring smooth delivery of software. 35. What are the different stages of a CI/CD pipeline? Answer. The stages of a CI/CD pipeline typically include source code management, build, testing, deployment, and monitoring. 36. What is Ansible? Answer. Ansible is an open-source tool used for configuration management, application deployment, and task automation. 37. What is monitoring in DevOps? Answer. Monitoring in DevOps involves tracking the performance and health of systems, applications, and infrastructure to ensure reliability, identify issues, and improve performance. 38. What is log management? Answer. Log management involves collecting, storing, and analyzing logs generated by systems and applications to troubleshoot issues and monitor performance. 39. What is the principle of least privilege? Answer. The principle of least privilege ensures that users or systems are granted only the permissions necessary to perform their tasks, reducing security risks. 40. What are environment variables? Answer. Environment variables are key-value pairs used to configure the runtime environment of applications without hard-coding values in the code. 41. What is a virtual private cloud (VPC)? Answer. A VPC is a secure, isolated virtual network within a public cloud environment that provides control over network configuration, subnets, and IP ranges. 42. What is IAM in AWS? Answer. AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, is a service that allows users to manage access to AWS resources securely by defining who can access which resources and under what conditions. 43. What is a DevOps pipeline? Answer. A DevOps pipeline is an automated series of steps that code goes through from development to production, including building, testing, and deploying the software. 44. What is the difference between public and private repositories in Git? Answer. Public repositories are accessible to anyone, while private repositories restrict access to authorized users. 45. What is a configuration file in DevOps? Answer. A configuration file contains settings and parameters that define how software or systems should behave. These are often managed as code in DevOps environments. 46. What is cloud elasticity? Answer. Cloud elasticity is the ability of a cloud environment to dynamically allocate resources as the workload changes, ensuring scalability without manual intervention. 47. What is a rollback? Answer. A rollback is the process of reverting to a previous version of an application or system when issues occur in the latest release. 48. What is a reverse proxy? Answer. A reverse proxy sits in front of servers and forwards client requests to appropriate servers, often used for load balancing, caching, or securing traffic. 49. What is horizontal scaling? Answer. Horizontal scaling involves adding more servers to distribute the load, improving performance and capacity. 50. What is a service mesh? Answer. A service mesh is an infrastructure layer that handles communication between microservices, ensuring secure, reliable, and observable connections within cloud-native applications. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Visit parthikachana.com for technology resources and stock analysis.